24. That overclock we'll start. Good afternoon, everyone. Attending this final day as well as the validity session of this faculty development program. We have come to an end of the 5 days faculty development program. So it gives me immense pleasure to propose vote of thanks for this FDP program. First of all, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to AICT directors, Dr. Ravindra Soni and Dr. Giridhar Lal for providing me the opportunity to organize this kind of national level program for the benefit of faculty members, researchers and industry persons at our institution, Sri Saram Engineering College, Chennai. I would like to thank my dynamic CEO, Mr. Sai Prakash Leyamuthu, who has been instrumental in organizing this kind of FTP program, and our beloved principal, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who always encouraged the faculties to be up to date in all the forms of educational forum. And I also offer my sincere thanks to our HOD and Dean Academics, Dr. Raja, for his guidance and immeasurable support. I thank all the resource persons who have gladly accepted our invitation to share their knowledge with us in all the 5 days of FTP program. I thank all my fellow staff coordinators for their support system. Finally, I thank all the participants for their enthusiasm and participation in this all the 5 days, and hope this FTP redefines that is molds our knowledge in the field of artificial intelligence for robotics. I hope you have carried some knowledge in the field of artificial intelligence for robotics. To some extent, I have arranged, or we have delivered some information related to this FTP, and you can share your reviews. Thank you all. Now I call upon the participants to share your views about this FTP.
So,
And anyone? Dr. Arti?
yeah, I am in the line. I would like to give my feedback about this AI for Robotics Atal FDP program organized by Saram Engineering College. So, the day one started with the learning of artificial intelligence for robotics, its mathematical concepts on modeling and simulation of dynamic system from IIT experts. Also, they thrown some light on upcoming revolution on artificial intelligence. So the second day began with the machine learning in underwater robotics, and we could able to see some real-time experiments done with the underwater robots, its navigation and vision. We gained a lot by seeing the real-time applications and the experiments done by the experts, and they were very well open-heartedly visualized the underwater robotics for participants. That has motivated a lot for all the participants, I hope so. And coming to this day 3, we learned about this machine learning concepts for conversational chatbot from the Shopee Singapore person who who has explained us with the real-time application again. It was very well learning for all of us, and continued by the machine learning for smart systems like MIMO for 5G from Anna University faculty, and deep learning for healthcare perspective from Sairam faculty. It was a very nice and wonderful session. And following by the fourth day, we learned about this deep learning over the traditional machine learning introspection on humanoid robotics. It was nice. On the day 5, with advanced robotic systems and applications and AI for data science, it was a wonderful lecture by the experts. The overall program was excellent and the time was managed so very well, and they have sticked on to the time. Apart from few issues of network connections from the expert sides, overall the program was extraordinary with nice intake of knowledge about the AI and robotics. On behalf of all participants, I thank the faculty coordinator from Sairam Engineering College for having organized a wonderful FDP from 7th December to 11th December 2020. Thank you so much. I thank all the, on behalf of all participants, I thank once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Dr. Aarti,
Thank
for
you.
providing the valuable feedback. Thank you.
Okay.
Any other participants? Please kindly switch on your camera and provide your feedback.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Usha from Sairam Institutions.
Switch on the
I have
camera,
been
Usha. Usha,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on your camera. Dear participants, kindly switch on your camera. We have come to an end of the session.
Knowledge about, yes, ma'am. We have gained knowledge about the various topics in artificial intelligence for robotics. The resource person's talk motivated us to go deeper in this area. And the style and the knowledge of the presenters were amazing. And we found that this FTP is a blend of both theory and practical, ma'am. To say it in one word, fantastic FTP. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, Usha madam, for your feedback. Sir Ravindran sir, your feedback, please. Unmute all.
It was a very well coordinated, ma'am, and having hands-on knowledge was very good, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Tiwari sir, your feedback. Sir, Tiwari sir, kindly provide your feedback, sir.
It was a very nice class, course well organized. Thank you. I had attended one more course previously, like Atal course. So I am very impressed by the way you conducted the course, and all the instructors were very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Dr. Arunarsi.
Yeah, ma'am. Good evening, all. This is Dr. J. Arunarasi from Sairam Institutions. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. I really proud to see that every day was special and we have learned a lot, and all the sessions were very informative. The excellent mind-blowing sessions by our eminent resource persons like Manivannan sir, Meenakshi ma'am, Devraj sir, Etiraj sir, Prabhakaran sir, Priya madam, and so on. And stress management by Ilamurugan sir was a wonderful session. And Dr. Jude Hemant gave us inspirational tips at the end of the session. So not only this, all the sessions were excellent. So from my heart, I can say that we are waiting for next program like this. So I'd like to thank our coordinators, Dr. Brinda ma'am, and organizers for organizing such a wonderful FDP. Thank you all.
Thank you, Arunarsi madam. Sir, Thirunakarasa sir. Thirunakarasa sir, kindly provide your feedback, sir.
Once again, I think.
Thirunakarasa sir.
Ma'am, can I audible, ma'am?
Yes, audible, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Very good afternoon to all. I think this is very informative session, and moreover, the sessions are very useful to our. Okay, and moreover, our academics are very developed in this area. Okay, upcoming.
Sir, or not audible, sir. Babu sir, okay sir. Sir, your voice is not audible. Kindly unmute sir. Tirunavakarasi sir, kindly unmute. Sir, Tirunavakarasi sir, you have muted. Kindly unmute. See any other participants? Please switch on your camera and provide your feedback. Selve Ganesh sir,
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Very good afternoon to
your feedback.
one and all present. I wanted to thank you because this course is entirely useful, ma'am. All these, I thought that it will be only based on the very robotic basics and that. And it is really impressed, like deep learning, artificial intelligence, and machine learning algorithm were taught clearly. And this session is entirely fruitful for us, ma'am, to develop our career in the develop our research and careers in robotics domain. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for organizing one such event.
Thank you, sir. Actually, we have planned like this only. Not only this robotics domain, the fundamentals, basics related to AI, ML, DL, everything we plan to cover. That's why we have arranged like this, sir. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks. So fun, so fun, sir. Neeraj Kumar Shukla. Sir, can you provide your feedback? Neeraj, sir. Sir, kindly unmute, sir. Your voice is not audible. Neeraj Kumar. No, sir, not audible. Try once, sir. No, sir, no. Yes, Sumati madam. Sumati madam, can you provide your feedback? Ajita. Ajita madam. Karthik sir, MIT. Karthik sir, MIT. Any other participants, kindly you can provide your feedback. Anyone? Anyone who are interested to give your feedback, please.
Hello, can you hear me?
Sir, Gnanasivam sir.
Can you hear me?
Sir, Gnanasivam sir. Are you there?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me clearly?
Mute sir. Sorry.
Hello, can you hear me clearly, ma'am?
Sir.
Do you hear me clearly?
Sure.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I wanted to say thank you so much for the organization, and I am Ndolo, and I really love the session. It was very fantastic, and I believe that what we have picked here will be very vital for for the career and also for the next the next generation that we have in classes. And I believe that you will continue doing more of this. I did make a request that you organize one on machine learning for digital signal processing, if possible, because it's also a very vital area right now that we in electrical electronics will really love to have that.
Yes.
Otherwise, I really, really thank you for the organization. I thank the management for doing that. I hope you will organize more. And the next time, I believe that we will be many, because right now we will be the ambassadors for the organization. We will make sure that many people come in so that you can have more audience. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Dr. Anbu Selvi. Dr. Anbu Selvi. Kindly provide your comments, madam. If possible, switch on the camera.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah, ma'am. It was very interesting. Actually, I took both the courses as a separate entity, artificial intelligence and robotics. So I was just expecting how could the juncture will be towards artificial intelligence and robotics is. It was very well organized. You are able to cover all the corners of the both the domains like artificial intelligence and robotics, and especially in robotic sense, people who have took about the various types of robotics and all. It was very, very interesting and application oriented. That is what we all expect as such, beyond the concepts where it could be applied. So that was very, really interesting, ma'am. And I wish all the participants a very great appreciation, right? And thank you all. It was very, very well organized. And especially the session by Ilamurugan sir was really mind refreshing. Typically, teachers at this pandemic situations need those sort of words to get ourselves re-energized and so on. So that was very interesting, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this organization.
thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Arivelagan, sir. Dr. Arivelagan. Your feedback, sir. Dr. Pushpa. Pushpa, madam, are you there? Jeevanandam. Jeevanandam, sir. Dr. Jeevanandam. Jnana Sivam. Dr. Gandhimati. North Indians. Mrs. Janupriya. Mrs. Janupriya. Or anyone interested, you can provide your feedback. I expect from Yogita, Janupriya, Omana, Omana. Omana, madam. Any issue in unmuting yourself? Rajanish. Mr. Rajanish. Selva Ganesh. Sir, are you there? Selva Ganesh. Sorry, sir, already told. Yes, sir. Yes, Selva Ganesh. Okay, done. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
When will we have a test, ma'am, regarding
So after
today's?
this,
After
immediately,
this.
over
Okay.
10 minutes. Wait for 10 minutes. We will
Okay,
complete this and then we will start the test, sir. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, with this, we have come to an end of the session. Now, participants, kindly switch on your camera for photo session. Please. Switch on your camera for few minutes. Yes. Photo session. On பண்ணுங்க. So kindly provide your, kindly switch on your camera for 2 minutes. Okay. Madhuri, madam, switch on your camera. Shobha. Okay. Please, all of you switch on your camera for photo session, please. Nelson sir, welcome, welcome.
Good afternoon, ma'am. It was good questions.
Tell me, madam. Tell me, madam. Shobha, madam.
Well organized, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Very informative sessions we got, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Kanmani, madam, you want to say something? Okay.
All the sessions are good, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
More informative.
Jyoti, madam, your feedback.
Hello, madam.
Sir, please, sir.
Myself, Dr. Arivalagan from Ballim Engineering College, madam. Civil department. I attended the 5 days FPP program in your college, madam. That's really very useful to us. We can able to get the excellent information about the robotics, and similarly, and the artificial intelligence also we can able to get an excellent idea, madam. That's really it's very useful to us in the current trend, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Mini, Dr. Annadurai. Sir, your feedback, sir.
Very nice program, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Very informative sessions. It's very useful for our research purpose, madam. Thank you, madam. You conduct more programs like this, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Devanathan, sir. Devanathan, sir, your comment, your feedback. Unmute, sir. Unmute yourself. No audio. Okay, sir. No problem. Suresh, sir. Dr. Suresh.
Very good afternoon to one of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Overall, this FTP is very good and useful, ma'am. I thank the management of Sairam Group and the principal, sir. They are permitting to conducting this kind of workshops, and congratulate everyone who will be working in this team for conducting a successful FTP. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Madhuri, madam, you want to say something? Jyoti, madam. Jyoti, madam.
I talked, but I was unmute. Sorry. Very good afternoon to you all. I'm very happy to get this opportunity to attend. I feel since last of 30th November, I'm in Sairam Engineering College. This is my second FDP. I'm continuously attending. It was very nice session. I came to know about robotics, different type of robotics, and how artificial intelligence and machine learning are implemented in upcoming robotics, Internet of Things. So I'm very happy. It is a very well organized session. and we got very good knowledge about robotics and artificial intelligence. Once again, thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Thank you all for providing your valuable comments. Thank you, one and all. Now we come to an end of the session. We will end up the session with prayer song. Okay. Sir? Play பண்ணுங்க. போட்டோ எடுத்துட்டே இருங்க வரும்போது யாராவது கேமரா ஆன்
विनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जनगण
Now we have posted the link. Kindly attend the test, and the link will be expired before 4 p.m. 3:30. Sorry, 3:30. Very simple questions only. Just try it. And if you have any issues, kindly post your comments in the WhatsApp group or contact through mail.
Ma'am, I am facing an issue. I am not able to access the chat.
Chat.
This is Pratyush here.
Ma'am, where is the link, ma'am?
WhatsApp also, sir. We have posted in the WhatsApp also.
Ma'am, link has not came.
I am not in WhatsApp group.
Not on. Chat box, sir. What about chat box?
Chat box I am not able to access. Can you mail the link to me?
Okay, okay. We will mail it. Okay, sir. We will send through mail.
Click.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, your name, sir? Good name, sir?
Pratyush Tiwari.
Tiwari. Okay, okay, okay. I will send through mail, sir.
Okay, thank you.
நிறைய photos queries attend பண்ணிட்டு நாம photo எடுக்கலாம். அப்புறம் ரெக்கார்டிங் முடிச்சிடலாம். Hope all of you received the question paper. Do it and submit it. Thank you. கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணிடலாம் ஒரே இதுல வாங்க.
time limit for link submission.
நான் தெரியுறேனா? எங்க எனக்கு தெரியலையே விண்டோல. ஏன் விண்டோல தெரியல? எனக்கு ஏதோ இது சரியில்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். சிவசக்தி சார் எனக்கு கிரிட் மோட் ஏதாவது பாருங்களேன். ஓ அப்படியா? அப்படியா? அப்போ ஓகே. தெரிஞ்சா சரி. போட்டோ எடுங்க என்ன அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. போனா மேடம் கண்ணை நார்மலா வைங்க. ரொம்ப பாக்குறீங்க. நார்மலா இருங்க. லக்ஷ்மி லைட்டா கிளார் அடிக்குதுமா. அது இதுவா இருக்கே. பிளடா இருக்கு. அதரே கோனா பக்கத்துலயே உட்காந்துருங்க. வாங்க மேடம் வாங்க போட்டோக்கு வாங்க. You want photos, the audience. அவர் எங்க இருக்காங்க எனக்கு தெரியல. நாங்க இங்க வேலை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். இங்க இருக்க போறாரு. எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ராஷ்மி ஓகே. ராஷ்மி கரெக்டா இருக்கு. எங்க சந்தியா வரலையா? சுமதி மேடம் அப்படியே இருங்க. போட்டோ எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம். போட்டோ செஷன் கோயிங் ஆன்.
பிருந்தா ஹெச்ஓடி சார் வேணா அப்படியே ஜாயின் பண்ண சொல்றதுக்கு என்ன? சார் அவைலபிளா இருக்காரா? ஹெச்ஓடி சார் அவைலபிளா இருக்காரா?
இல்ல ட்ரை பண்றேன்.
ஆ
மீட்டிங்ல இருக்கீங்க. இந்த போட்டோ செஷன் போது ஜாயின் பண்றீங்களான்னு கேக்குறேன். ஃபோன் பண்ணி. ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார். மீட்டிங்ல தரோம். I think in the last 10 minutes video useful இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எல்லா பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் வாவ் சூப்பரா இருக்கே. அங்க எல்லாத்தையும் அனுப்புவோம். ஒரு பாட்டு கேக்குதா? ஒரு பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட் சொன்னாங்களே சாயராமலே இருந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீலிங் இருந்துச்சு. எல்லாரும் எக்ஸாம் எழுதிட்டு இருக்காங்க, நாம தான் கூப்பிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஹெட்போன் இருக்கு.
timing.